What's up? Another unboxing. This is by Breach Decks. Okay, all the way from Poland again. So I've got the Resin Dragon, and now I think it's called the Blackwater. So let's open it up. All right. As usual, the packaging, we got a purple top ply, and this time he gave me 2 tips and a bunch of stickers. All right, there we go. We got a bunch of stickers here. Let's set everything aside and get straight to the point. Okay, I'm not gonna open it. It's stapled here, but then I'm just gonna push the deck out. Here you go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Whoa! Holy. Yeah, man. This is, oh my god. Ah, this is what I'm talking about. Ah! Just look at this. Just look at this. Just look at the plies. It's damn gorgeous. Look at the top ply with the Breach logo engraved on the top ply. Damn, this is sick. I think this is the Helix. I think this is the Helix mold. I'm just blown away again. Again, Breach Decks. You really make good fingerboards. Like, I truly admire the combination of wood and resin. This is so beautiful and creative of Breach Decks. It's sleek and elegant. Just look at the details on the wood. And also, as you can see, it kinda have like a shimmering sheen. I don't know if that's the word. Yeah, but yes, a little bit of gloss. Beautiful decks, as always, by Breach Decks. This is my second time, and I'm blown away. Let me just show you the previous one that I got from Breach Decks. So this is the previous one. It's a Resin Dragon. Beautifully made. I love this so much. This is my favorite setup, like, of all. Let's put both together. Just admire this beauty. I think this is 34 and this is 33. I don't know. I keep forgetting shit. Breach Decks, make more, because I'm a collector of your fingerboards. If you're watching this, please sponsor me. Kidding. Actually, I'm not. And there you go. Alright. Let's hope for another unboxing. I'm collecting shit as of now. I got like tons of fingerboards that's just in their packaging. Peace!